Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students. So we are going to discuss about the new material, and the new material is about descriptive adjective. So we have to know what the meaning of descriptive adjective. Let's discuss about the new material today. Okay? So this is a table of content of this material, and this material about descriptive adjective. And table of content of descriptive adjective is included into 5 parts. And the first we discuss about definition, and the second is we discuss about purpose, and the third is we discuss about function, and the fourth is we discuss about example words, and the last is we discuss about example of descriptive adjective in the sentence. So let's move to the next section. Is we will explain about definition of descriptive adjective, and there are many explanation what is the definition of descriptive adjective, as you know. And the first we will have to know about definition of descriptive adjective, like a descriptive adjective is an adjective that modifies a noun or pronoun by describing it or expressing its quality. And the other definition, like descriptive adjective, are adjective that describe or indicate the character, nature, appearance, or condition of people, animal, and objects. And the other definition, like descriptive adjective, are adjectives that are used to describe the condition of noun or pronoun, which include size, shape, measurement, weight, smell, taste, color, and so on. So this is related to definition of descriptive adjective. So let's move to the next section. Is we discuss about purpose of descriptive adjective. From this material, you have to know what is the purpose of descriptive adjective, because this is important about this material. And the purpose of descriptive adjective is to provide more information what the noun they modify by accurately describing the properties of that noun or by changing its meaning. The adjective is one of the most important components of part of speech, since it has such a significant impact on the information that is discussed about verbal, written, and communication. So this is the purpose of descriptive adjective. And let's move to the next section. Is we discuss about function of descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective function of descriptive adjective is divided into 4 parts, and the first we discuss about adjective function as noun, and the second is adjective can from comparison, and the third is this adjective can intensify nouns, and the last is adjectives can mediate noun. So from this section, there are 4 functions of descriptive adjective. So let's move to the next section. Is we discuss about example of word from descriptive adjective. So as you know, you have to know the example of word about descriptive adjective, like beautiful is cantik, smart is pintar, friendly is ramah, fast is cepat, shiny is cerah, noisy is berisik, tall is tinggi, red is merah, big is besar, old is tua, young is muda, small is kecil, stingy is pelit, sweet is manis, and bitter is pahit, sour is asam. And as you know, you have to hear about the other example, like strong is kuat, Yellow is kuning, round, bulat. Tiny is kecil, polite, sopan. Honest, jujur. Expire itu kadaluarsa. Black, hitam. Happy, senang. Sad, sedih. Dry, kering. Hot, panas. Cool, keren. Adorable, luar biasa. Angry, marah. And tight is ketat. So this the whole of the word is related to descriptive adjective. And next is example of descriptive adjectives. For example, and the first is a pretty girl. Seorang gadis yang cantik. From the sentence, there is a words from descriptive adjective like pretty. Pretty is cantik. And the next is a brave man. Brave man is seorang pria yang berani. So from this sentence, you know which one the words included of descriptive adjective is brave. And the next is a white dog. White is related to descriptive adjective. The meaning of white is putih. And next, a round table, sebuah meja yang bulat. So from this sentence, from these words, round is descriptive adjective. So and the last is wild animal, seorang binatang yang buas. And from this sentence, wild is related to descriptive adjective. So the other example is a diligent student, seorang murid yang rajin. Diligent is descriptive adjective. A new house, sebuah rumah yang baru. New is descriptive adjective. A big elephant, seekor gajah yang besar. Big is a descriptive adjective. And a dirty clothes, sebuah baju yang kotor. Dirty is a descriptive adjective. And easy task, sebuah tugas yang mudah. Easy is descriptive adjective. But if you know, descriptive adjective have to compare with noun, because if there is no noun in the descriptive adjective kan bisa berdiri sendiri. And next, let's move to the next example of adjective in the sentence like he is a clever student. He is a clever student. Dia adalah seorang siswa yang pintar. And the next is she is a young woman. Dia seorang perempuan muda. There is an empty box. Itu sebuah kotak kosong. This is a blue pen. Ini sebuah pena biru. My school is clean. Sekolah saya bersih. So from these sentences, this is the example of descriptive adjective in the sentence. So let's discuss about in the first sentence. He is a clever student. So from these sentences, there is words included about descriptive adjective is clever. So clever is pintar. So and the next example is she is a young woman. From the second sentence, the word is included of descriptive adjective is young. Young is muda. So and the third example is there is an empty box. So from these sentences, the word is included about descriptive adjective is empty. Empty is kosong. And the fourth example is this is a blue pen. From this sentence, the word is included about descriptive adjective is blue. Blue is biru. So and the last sentence is my school is clean. So you can look which one the word is included about descriptive adjective. Yeah, of course, the words is included about descriptive adjective is clean. Clean, the meaning of the clean is bersih. So this is the so all of these sentences relate to descriptive adjective. And the next is we discuss how to make the question sentence or interrogative sentence. For example, let's discuss in the first box. Is Arfa short? Apakah Arfa pendek? No. You can say no. He is not short. He is tall. Tidak. Dia tidak pendek. Dia tinggi. And the second is the box heavy? Apakah kotak ini berat? You can say no. It is not heavy. It is light. Tidak. Ini tidak berat. Itu ringan. And the third is what is Imelda like? Seperti apa Imelda? You can say she is tall, or you can say she is short, and you can say she is beautiful. And the fourth is what is the Frandi like? Seperti apa Frandi? You can say she is fat and wear glasses. Dia gemuk dan memakai kacamata. And another response you can say he is a tall and clever. And then last is what is your ruler like? Seperti apa penggarismu? You can say my ruler is new and brown. Penggaris saya baru dan berwarna abu-abu. And example, you can respond the other sentences like my ruler is old and yellow, for example. And let's move to the second box. And the first is who is Randi? Siapa Randi? Katanya he is, you can say he is like his father. Dia seperti ayahnya. Nah, and the second is what are the two new students like? Nah, seperti apa dua murid baru tersebut? Katanya. So you can say they are very interesting. Mereka sangat menarik. And the third is what is children like? Seperti apa anak-anak itu? You can say they are naughty, or they are respond. You can say they are fussy, or they are diligent. So and the fourth is that cupboard big? Apakah lemari itu besar? You can say yes, this cupboard is big. Nah, and the last is what is your school like? Katanya. Seperti apa sekolahmu? You can say my school is big and wide. So this is the end of discussion today, students. And who wants to ask questions about descriptive adjective? If you want to ask about the question, please raise hand and feel free for you. Is there any questions? So if there is no question, I think that's all for this class, and thank you for attention, and we will meet again in the next class. Okay, see you and good afternoon.